Okay, we're going to do a room tour now of 5041 on the Margaritaville Paradise. This is an Oceanview cabin, as you can see when you walk in. To the right, this is very important, to the right and the bottom, here are the main switches. If you don't turn these on, you're not going to have power for anything in the cabin. We learned that when we first got here. That didn't have any lights. Then you got the closet here. It's two sides. It's decent enough for short trips. Of course, we're on a 3-day Bahama vacation here. Then to the left, you'll see the bathroom. It's got the sink, and it's got a little bit of storage underneath. The trash can's over on that side. It's a nice big mirror. When we look on the left-hand side, we'll see, of course, the commode is here. And then behind it, there's the towel rack. Inside, the shower. This shower is a little bit broken on this one. It's got pretty good water pressure and it's pretty hot. As you can see, though, the pan, it's seen better days. The curtain actually keeps most of the water out from inside the bathroom. That's good. So it works okay. I have found it a little dark in there because it is very, the shower curtain's a very dark shower curtain. So, but besides that, it works. I mean, for a short cruise, it works okay. When you continue in, after the closets, you got some drawers at the bottom with the phone. This is the refrigerator down here. We haven't really used it. We're just on a small 3-day, like I said, Bahama cruise. Up in the top, your life jackets. You have your safe. Like you say, it's big enough for an iPad if you want to put an iPad in there. Then when you look on this side, you have your little desk with a chair and another mirror there. Oh, I forgot to show you right by the door on the top. That is the air conditioning controls. So you'll want to know where those are when you're working and you're in this cabin, just to make sure. Next, you got the bed. Bed is actually very comfortable. We slept very well. There was some noise in the room or in the hallway because it's located near the stairs. There's your television, very nice. It's got some channels, it's pretty good. Then we got 2 chairs on this side with Valda over there and a little table. And then we got a window. We're actually leaving Nassau right now, so you get a nice, pretty good size porthole here to look out of and see Nassau sailing by and slowly disappearing. You do have a shade up here that comes down. This one's in a little rough shape, but it does block most of the light out in the morning. And of course you have different power solutions. You got switches over here, and then next to the bed, closer to the window, you'll see some switches here. Turns off the lights above the bed and some stuff. There is a USB power solution here. Whether it works or not, it doesn't seem to work the best. On the other side of the bed, you have some more switches, but that's all you have. Right here next to the mirror, you do have another USB port, actually 2 of them, a Type C and a regular Type A. And of course you have a European plug. So the power solutions are not that great in this room, but they will work for a short cruise. So once again, that's just a room tour of room 5041 on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise.